Welcome students, my name is Amit Choudhary and you are watching me on the online channel of IIBM and ZHI, and today we are going to talk about a case study analysis. This case study analysis was presented by our students of BBA and BC and PGDM in an event called TechConverge, which has been organized in the IIBM auditorium, and I am going to take you through the key points, the snapshots of the presentation and the strategies that can be used for integrating marketing and IT for enhanced customer engagement. This PPT has been created with the help of many AI tools like Gamma.app, and I suggest you to use these AI tools to create presentations so that you can also improve your communication and presentation skill. So let's see the case study. The case study, the background says that this company called XYZ Corporation, right, and it deals with primarily in the fashion industry, and it's the company is facing challenges in integrating marketing strategies with IT solutions. Now let's understand the facts of the case. The first fact says XYZ Corporation operates both physical stores and an online platform. So there are three kinds of structure. One is brick and mortar structure like a Patna Kirana store where they have only offline presence. Now there is a brick and click structure like Raymond stores where they have both offline and online presence. And then there is third structure which we call pure click structure where we have only online presence like Flipkart. Now this company is working in the brick and click structure where we have both offline and online presence. Now the second part says that the company targets demographic profiles like millennials and Gen Z. Now millennials are the people who were born between 1980s to 2000, and Gen Z are the people who actually who are born between 1990s to 2010. So these are the middle-aged or young customers that the company is talking about. And then we have XYZ Corporation's current marketing efforts include email campaign, which is a very basic marketing effort, social media advertising, and influencer partnership. Influencer partnership primarily deals with the opinion leaders on the Instagram and having a network with them so that they can advocate and endorse your brand. And the fourth point is the company's IT infrastructure includes a website, a mobile app, customer relationship management tool where we have all the details of the transaction and the customer data, and data analytics tool. Now the question is, how can XYZ Corporation effectively integrate marketing strategy with IT solutions to enhance customer engagement and drive business growth? So this is the key point that we need to answer in this presentation. So I am going to take you through the key highlights, right? So what's the personalized recommendation? One of the recommendation is create a sort of a CRM pool and then leverage that CRM data. So utilizing CRM data is about giving personalized recommendation to the customers based on their past purchases and browsing behavior as they do on Netflix or YouTube. So once you start exploring, analyzing data about past purchases, you understand the personal favorites of a customer, you understand the important dates of a customer like their birthdays, their anniversary days. You can actually provide very focused and targeted campaigns, very focused and targeted sort of offers you can provide to the consumer, as well as you can also look at the various touch points in their life, and you can create a link between your brand with those emotional experiences of a customer's life. And this will surely going to increase your conversion, because once you have that personalized connect, that bespoke model with the customers, then it's going to improve your conversion. Now the second thing is interactive social media campaigns, right? Because it's not a broadcasting channel, it should be very interactive. You can organize polls and quizzes and challenges, and you can also play some giveaway contests like this. Many brands have actually resurrected themselves from the like the phoenix from the ashes of their failure by social media campaigns, by organizing these interactive campaigns. So you can also create a sense of community if you start some pages where actually customers can like, subscribe, and they can become a part of those pages, and if you share really interesting quizzes and interactive games on those channels. There are so many channels like social media channels apart from WhatsApp and Telegram and stuff. So probably these community preparation can create a sort of bonhomie and camaraderie among customers, and they can be more emotionally attached to your brand. Now augmented reality is also a tool to be used. So using augmented reality, you can actually create those apps through which customers can virtually try on clothes, right? I can try a t-shirt or jeans or whatever online through my mobile app, and I can post that picture on Insta, and I can get all the likes and comments from my friends, and if I'm sure that I really like that cloth, I will buy that cloth. So it will obviously reduce your returns, because if customers are getting chance to try out that cloth even sitting at the comfort of their home, and they can actually get real time feedback from their friends, they will not return your clothes, and that's going to be uh, a great saving for your expenses, right? And gamified loyalty program, because loyalty is the essence. You know that 80-20 rule, that 20% of the business is coming from the 80% of the customers, but 80% of the business is coming from the 20% loyal customers. So in order to create loyalty, you can create sort of a club, like they start many club in the by the brands of the automobile industry. You can create some bonus point system. You can provide some uh, points like aviation industry, they provide right, flying, those points related to your flying, whatever flying kilometers you have done. And you can provide badges, right? These badges could be a sort of memento, a sort of icon that they can carry, and they can actually get a sense of premiumness and attachment with the brand. And then you can have certain rewards, maybe long-term rewards, maybe you can give some points which can be in cashed in the next purchase. And omni-channel integration is very important, because we have presence in both offline and online channels. So in order to create some sort of brand differentiation, you can have an omni-channel integration where people can buy some product from the offline channel and they can return it through the online channel. They can buy it in the online channel, and they can come to your offline store for any alteration work. So if you do this online offline merger, then it will provide a seamless transition, a synchronized inventory, because you will be getting real time data, so you can actually optimize your inventory, and it's also provide a consistent experience for the customers, right? So, and obviously data driven insight, you have to create some sort of dashboard where you can get all the data related to customers and transactions, and region wise data, shop wise data, and you can analyze that data to get some real insights about customer preferences, behavior, and their engagement patterns. And then you can optimize. So collecting data from various sources and then optimizing the data is a good way to enhance your brand imagery, right? So these are the key strategies for driving business growth. Increase conversion, and you can increase conversion by giving personalized recommendation to the customer. Then improve loyalty, you can improve loyalty by creating some loyalty club, loyalty points. And competitive advantage, you can actually merge this offline and online channel to create a competitive advantage. So these are the points that we should be careful about.